Alright guys, I have some huge news. So basically the devs for this game have reached out to those of us in the content creator program, and there'll be two things that they have announced to give back to the community essentially. Number one is that there will be a brand new gift code, which I'll check out what you got. I don't actually know what's inside, so we'll do that together in this video. It will be the same gift code for all of the content creator, so it doesn't matter whether you use mine or someone else's, it's the exact same code, okay? So you can only redeem it once. And then the second thing is that they are also going to do giveaways for different players. Now, this is going to be depending on the number of viewers for the content creator, and I'm lucky enough to actually be able to give away to 20 of my viewers, essentially. Every single one of them can get 999 diamonds. I know it's not a huge amount, but still, it's free gems, okay? So it's definitely going to be worth it. In terms of how I'm going to decide who will be the lucky ones, I am actually going to host a number of events, and I will show you guys some of the events that I plan to host. So do check out not just this video, but also the future videos for more chances to win those giveaways, okay? But now, first of all, let's just check out this gift code. I'm actually quite excited to see what we'll be getting. So if we go to, the accounts, it should be gift code here. So the gift code is going to be HAIKYU creator, I believe. Can't actually spell now. HAIKYU creator. So if I redeem this, okay, it's just 3 standard tickets. Okay, not a great gift code, but still, it's 3 tickets, and I know a lot of us have been asking for SSR tickets. Okay, so better than nothing. All right, now let's move on to the highlight of this video, which will be the giveaway events. Now, I have a total of 20 winners that I can choose for the giveaway. First of all, kudos to the devs for actually allowing us to do this kind of giveaway events. Even though we'll be the ones deciding on the event format and also picking the winners, the final rewards will be given by the devs directly themselves. So obviously a huge shout out to them, because it's not just me, it's all of the content creators in the content creator program. So if you actually think about that, that's actually going to be a lot of winners overall for the whole game, okay? But in terms of the actual events that I will be doing, I have the flexibility of doing whatever event I want, and I can pick 20 winners out of that. Right now, I've came up with 3 different events. This is going to use up 10 winners out of my quota. There's still going to be another 10 spots remaining, which I would probably come up with some other events in order to give away those as well. If you have any suggestions for events you want to see for this game, then do let me know in the comment section as well, and maybe I'll pick your ideas as an event. But what are the 3 I have planned for you guys so far? So the first one is going to be decorate your base. I always wanted to do something for your base, to be honest, because obviously we have this functionality in the game to actually decorate your base however you want, but there's literally like no reward associated with that. Like the reward for that is very simple, and it's kind of given just based on how many furniture you buy, but nothing to do with the actual aesthetic, etc. However, if you do actually want to decorate, it probably actually will take you quite a bit of time. So as a result, I kind of want to just give back the community for your, I don't know, for your effort to actually decorate your base and make it pretty, I guess. So for this event, I'm going to pick 3 winners, and the duration for the event will be starting from now all the way to the 21st of October. And all you have to do in order to participate is that you need to record a video of your base. You can add some commentary if you really want to, and you will need to submit it via my own Discord server. I'll share the server link in the comment section below. You just need to join the server, add on the HAIKYU role, and then you should be able to submit your video to the dedicated event channel, okay? After the 21st of October, what I'm going to do is that I will look through all of the bases. I will probably make a video out of it as well, and I'll be scoring off the submissions both on both the aesthetics, so how pretty it is, and also whether it's practical or not, okay? So, you know, if you just give me a bunch of tables with no chairs, I'm going to mark you down for that, okay? So based on all of that, I'll be scoring everyone's base, and I'll pick the top 3 winners for that. So that's going to be the first event. Now the second event is going to be club contest. However, I'm going to adjust the scoring system. So for this one, I will be picking 4 winners. It'll be 1 every single week, and it'll run from the 29th of September to the 21st of October. The reason it will be 1 per week is obviously because the enemy change for each week. So I just want to make it fair and also comparable between the scores. So in order to submit and participate in this event, you will need to record your run, but also importantly, you need to give me in the same video the details of your UR character. So please do not make 2 separate videos and then pen them together. I need to see it throughout in a single shot, just so I know, you didn't cheat, and it's the scoring and also the characters are from the same account. And basically, the reason why I want to see the details of the UR characters is that for whatever final score you get in the club contest, I am going to deduct 5% for each UR dupe you have. So if your UR characters are only 0 dupe, that's absolutely fine. I won't be doing any deduction. But let's say if you have all cover, 6 dupe, and also Yushijima also has 6 dupe, that together is 12 UR dupes. So I'll be deducting 5% times 12. So I'll be deducting 60% of your final score. The reason why I'm doing that is just I want to give all of the free-to-play players or the live spenders a way to also participate and also make a fair comparison. So I don't want you guys to win just by throwing money into the game. I want to actually see you guys do a bit of team building and maybe come up with some better ideas on how to get a higher score, okay? So that's kind of why I'll be adjusting the final score based on how many dupes you have, and that's why it's very important in your video of your club contest run. Please do include the details of your UR characters, okay? So once again, this submission will be via video and will be submitted via my Discord server group as well, okay? Once again, the link is in the comment section. Then for event number 3, it's going to be called Make Your Better SP. And this one is actually a collaboration between different people within the community. So there's both myself and also Miklik. And then there's also Kaito and also Gom, who are from the very famous Team Builder website, which you guys probably have already been very familiar with. And there are also a couple of other players, such as Chiwi, who are from the Taiwan and maybe also JP servers as well, okay? So this is a collaboration within the community. Now, we'll be picking 5 winners for this event. The quota will come from both myself and also Miklik, and the duration of this event will be from the 27th of September to the 19th of October. Now, the submission for this event will be via Google Form, which I will open up in a bit and show you guys all of the details, and the winner for this will be decided by a vote within the community. Here is going to be the Google link, a Google form that you will need to submit. I will link this in the video comment section. If you open up the link, it will ask you for your email, obviously, to actually make the submission. And afterwards, you will see basically the description of the event, the timelines, etc. What's going to be the price, which is obviously going to be 999 diamonds. And also, we will talk about how are we actually going to decide on the winners, okay? Now, the way it's going to happen, I will just give you a quick rundown, but obviously you guys can read this yourself as well. Basically, you just need to use your creativity to come up with a character that you think the game wouldn't actually release, okay? It can be basically anyone from the HAIKYU series. Doesn't have to be even an actual player. You can pick a cheerleader, a coach, or a ball boy if you want. You will have to, however, come up with their skills and also their art, okay? And basically just be as original and also as fun as possible. Now, we'll be taking submissions for roughly 3 weeks, I believe, doing those timelines. And then afterwards, the judges, which will be a couple of people, I think you will actually say the judges here. Yeah, so it'll be myself, Miklik, a few Taiwan, and also JP players, etc. We'll be reviewing all of the submissions and come up with 10 different potential winners. Now, for those 10 potential winners, what we're going to do is then we'll open up for the public, where the public can then decide out of that 10 which are going to be the top 5, and those top 5 will be the ones receiving that final prize of 999 diamonds. Okay, so that is basically it. So like I said, you have to use your creativity. Do obviously leave your Discord name, because we will need to actually contact you in order for you to provide all of your details, your actual which player that you want to create, what's going to be their full skills, etc., and also of the bond, and of course art, just so we can actually see exactly how that player will look like. So yeah, so that's going to be the third event. Just have fun with it, to be honest. Be as original as you can, and we would love to see your creativity. Okay, last thing I'm going to show you in this video will just be how to join my Discord server and also make your submissions for the club contest and also decorate your base event. So click on my link in the video comment section, which will be the link for my own Discord server. After you join the server, you want to go to this Get Roles channel and click on this HAIKYU role. So you basically then would have the permission in order to post in the event channels. The event channels are basically here. It's going to be called HAIKYU Event Club Contest and HAIKYU Event Base Showroom. you can basically post, or you should be able to post your videos here directly. If you're not, then the other thing you can also do is simply create a YouTube channel and post your videos on YouTube and then share the link in this two event channels. Okay, so that's basically how you can make the submission. Now, both of these channels will be marked as private, and what that basically means is that you would have the ability to post it. However, you won't be able to see other people's posts, and also I believe you may not even be able to see your own posts after a while. So if you know have already made your submission, but after a while you don't see your submission appear here, that's to be expected. Okay, so don't worry about that. I will still be able to see all of them, and after the end of the event duration, what I'm going to do is I will simply hop on the channel to review everyone's recording, and then I will announce the winners directly. Okay, so that's basically how you can submit your recordings for those two events. But yeah, so those are all of the giveaway events I have planned for you guys. Like I said, I still have another 10, which I am free to give up to other people. I'm still trying to come up with some creative events for those quotas. If you have any good ideas, then do let me know in the comment section. If I do happen to use one of your event ideas, then obviously you're going to have an edge, right? But yeah, that's going to be it for today's video. Hopefully you guys will find this interesting and also fun. I do want to kind of build more community event because the game, I have to say, is getting a bit dry after a while. So hopefully all of this community event, especially now that they are being sponsored by the game devs, will hopefully help the game to be still fresh. But yeah, all the best to you guys, and hopefully you guys can get all of those gems.